This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, October 17th. It looks like the dominant influence on the financial markets today are reports that President Trump may be interested in picking a hawk as the next Fed chair. We're very much inclined to believe that will not be the case. But in any event, that is dominating financial futures markets today. Although stock index futures are holding up relatively well in spite of that. Also, we do feel that the main trend is still higher for all of the major indices, and that we will see continued strength through the balance of this year. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index quite a bit stronger today, basically with that dominant influence, the possibility that Trump could pick a hawk for Fed chair. Other currencies lower for the same reason. Also, we are seeing some pressure in the pound, even though inflation in the UK coming in at its highest level in 5 years, so that bullish news being ignored. Also, there's a probability, or increased probability, that the Bank of England could raise interest rates at their November 2nd meeting from the current record low of 25 basis points. Interest rate markets under a little pressure for the dominant reason that we mentioned earlier about the possibility of a hawkish Fed chair. Still thinking that we should stand aside in the credit markets, but in the gold we are seeing some pressure today also for that dominant influence about a potential hawkish Fed chair. Even the copper a little bit lower, but copper making a high yesterday. In fact, yesterday it traded at its highest level since 2014. So I think this break in the gold should be viewed as a buying opportunity. Also, the break in the copper, just a minor break after a huge rally yesterday, also should be used as a buying opportunity. Also, I am very much not in the camp of believing that President Trump will have a hawk as the new Fed chair. I'm thinking somebody more dovish. I would not be surprised also that Janet Yellen could be nominated again to hold that position. So in any event, look for any additional minor weakness in the gold to come in on the buy side, in the same, I think, concept for the copper market. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.